Hi there. Um, I have a busy day again, so I thought I'm going to film a bit, but I didn't do it. It's very windy outside, and the horses wanted to go inside very quickly. So, hey, this is Baukje, together with Blomke. Hey, Blomke. Hi. Oh, yeah. Baukje. And there is Bella. Hey, Bella. And normally Bella is always with Blomke, and Baukje is alone here. But when they go into the stable, Bella walked this way and they that way. I thought it's okay. Yeah. But first I thought Baukje has to stay next to Reintje, but now they don't mind anymore. Hey, Reintje. Sally. Hi. But I'm taking the wire out of the pasture, so that's the beginning. And now I have to go there for the other side. So horses are glad they are inside now. Yvonne. Hey, Risey. Hi. And of course, Teije Rein. What's happening there? Hello? Nothing. So I go outside, take the wire out and the poles, and then they can work on the field. So, bye. This is what I mean. I'm outside, taking the wire and later the poles, and it's 3 degrees, but it feels like -3 or so because of the wind. So, whoa. I'm quicker when I don't film. So, I'm going to work again. Time for carrots again. Hey. Baukje en Blomke. Bella. Reintje. Reintje. Well, she fine. Sally has some mash and some carrots. Yvonne. Risey. Rein. Ooh, a big one. Come. Hey. Okay, I tried to do Spidey in this stable. I tried to do Spidey in this stall because Pete was very often very mean to Spidey. So I thought maybe Pete is a bit nicer when she's with Daisy. Yes, you. Glendy and Spidey. Ooh, don't eat my fingers again. Glendy. Daisy and Peach. Ooh, Glendy. Daisy. Well, I hope you liked it. Tomorrow, carrots again, okay? Reintje. Kom. Kom. Bella. En Blomke en Baukje. Nou. Ja, Blomke. No. Tomorrow again.